Hello guys, I'm Angie from CATEK CNC company. Today, I'm going to introduce this machine, this CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine. As you can see, it does not use any tools. It uses laser for non-contaminating process. It does not touch the surface of the material and will not cause any damage of the material. So you can use it as your choice, best choice. You can use it to process non-metal materials, such as wood, acrylic, leather, PVC, or any other non-metal materials for cutting and engraving. You can also make wooden advertising word, wooden box, wooden puzzle, or architecture models, whatever you want. Use it in engraving and cutting. And of course, during the process, you can finish the engraving and cutting function at one time. Well, as you can see, this CO2 laser engraving machine with the metal protective cover with the fully enclosed and the acrylic observation windows. Well, with this enclosed design, when you want to see the process, you can throw out the acrylic window and you can see it. It's very safety. Well, this machine is equipped with 1,300 x 900 millimeters back and front honeycomb workbench, which can process the longest material. Of course, if you don't like the working table, you can also customize according to your needs. It is designed with fully protection for the X and Y X protection. With the protective cover, it avoids dust and smoke pollution. Its laser head can achieve red light plating and automatic focus, and can automatically adjust the different focal lengths when processing the material of different thickness. We use sealed CO2 laser tube and support the customer power and brand. We use this S&A water cooler, which is called fast. Regarding the control system, we use Ruida control system, which is supported many languages, such as English, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, or Korean. And we also support many files, such as G-code, DXF, and adding other things. Finally, I'm gonna introduce to you how this machine works. That's all. That's our CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. Thank you. See you next time.